All right, guys, 2024 Ford F-150 with a Whipple supercharger pushing about 850 horsepower on the dyno. So I'm going to let you guys hear it. It's got long tube headers and all the goodies, catless, all that stuff. It's got an S-type resonator there, a smaller resonator there. So this is what it sounds like with just those two resonators. One more. So it's pushing 116, guys, on the sound decibels. Again, 118. So it sounds good, but it's loud. All right, that's round one. What do you think of round one? You like it?
I mean, I can.
But you like it. All right, round two. Stay tuned. The first one we're going to go with is the Flowmaster Super 50. Right there, single in, dual out. Here we go. Start it up. Cleaner. Remember, you're still going to go through the tailpipes too, so it'll get a little bit quieter. Here's sound decibels. Go ahead. Again. So it peaked at 113. Before it was 118 with just the two S-types. Again. What do you think of that one? Close? Close? He's saying it's close. All right, next one. So this is a Borla S-type. We'll just put a Y pipe on the back of it. That's what it looks like inside, straight through. Here we go. Go ahead. And this is a high output vehicle. That muffler is specially made for that. See how quiet the idle is? Give it gas. Again. One more. It's quieting down a lot. Give it gas. Not the sound though. 110. Right away he goes, no, not the one. One more, just for the audience. All right, turn it off. So S-type is a no-go. Next is Black Widow, single in, dual out. Stay tuned. Go ahead, put it in. Give it gas. That's not bad. It gives it that chaw. Ooh, that's nice. Your sound decibels, go ahead. 115. That's Black Widow. He likes that one. It's close, but it's loud. One more. All right, turn it off. The Carven TR. Give it gas. Again. Your sound decibels. 111. You like that one? No, he doesn't like that one. All right, no on the Carven TR. Turn it off. We're doing the Borla ATAK. Give it gas. sound decibels? Go ahead. 115. It hits 116 early. That's idle. You like that one? It made him come back. That means he did like it. One more? That's mean. I like it. Oh. All right, turn it off. Borla ProXS. Stay tuned. Single in, dual out. This one's got a built-in X pipe in it. It's a lot deeper. See how much wide? It's 107. Here's sound decibels. Go ahead. 150. These guys, we're gonna do the NTR Pro Series muffler. Here we go. Go ahead. That's a different idle. Sound decibels on it. Go ahead. 116. All right. Valvetronic designs muffler with the valve closed. We know what it sounds like with the valve open, so we're just gonna do it with the valve closed. Give it gas. Let's try it at 108. So he doesn't like it. It's too quiet. All right, turn it off. So guys, after many different muffler testing, let me show you guys what we went with. 2025 Ford F-150, 5.0 Coyote, built with a Whipple supercharger, long tube headers, cat delete, Y-pipe, then has Borla S-type resonator, another Borla resonator there, and then we took out the MagnaFlow muffler over there because it was really tinny. We didn't like it, and replaced it with a Black Widow. He went with Black Widow. Here's the part number on it, right there. Then we continued his 3-inch pipe, tailpipes out the back, on each side, as you guys can see. And there's the Borla tips at the end. We adjusted them, cleaned them up for him because they were a little bit off. So we fixed it up. There's the MagnaFlow muffler that was on it. It could not handle the 850 horsepower this truck puts out. So let's see what it sounds like with the Black Widow. Stay tuned. Black Widow, Race Venom. Or actually, no. It's loud. It sounds phenomenal. So much better than the MagnaFlow. Wait. Let it warm up a little bit. Like 76. Give it gas now. My God. 120. It got louder. When we added the tailpipes, it got louder. Because of all the lights. It's 121. That's freaking insane. Give it gas. Still sounds good though. It's mean. Just wait till you get on it. You gotta back it up. This is just when it spools up. Dude, this is perfect. You're gonna get so many compliments on this thing. Oh. I want it just for that sound. It's so good. What a beast. 5.0. You guys gotta admit this sounds phenomenal. Woo. I'll let you guys hear on the inside. Go guys, so he's gonna give us hopefully a nice pull. We'll see. Stay tuned. (2025) Whipple Supercharged Ford F-150 5.0 with long tubes, catless, 2 Borla S-type resonators, and Black Widow muffler 3-inch duals. Yes, sir! Beast mode! That was badass. Hell yeah. Very nice. Very nice. Enjoy. Beast mode!